Hello friends, this video on Playing with Numbers part 30 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Later. So for now, let us try to understand that is there any better way of finding HCF, because we saw that while finding HCF of 24 and 36, you actually need to note down all the factors of 24, then all the factors of 36, then find out the common ones, then decide which is the highest common factor. So that would consume more time. So here we have a method called prime factorization method. So with this prime factorization method, very easily and very systematically, we will be able to find out HCF of two numbers. So let us see, how do we do that? So let us say that you have to find out HCF of 15 and 20. So I am again considering the same numbers just to show that here we are able to find HCF with ease. So how do we do it? So we will do prime factorization of both the numbers. So by now we know how to do prime factorization. The smallest possible prime number is 2. But do you think 2 will divide 15 exactly? No. So which number would divide it exactly? It is 3. So 3 5s are 15 and then 5 1s are 5. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Let us perform prime factorization of 20. So 2 into 10, then 2 5s are 10 and then 5 1s are 5. So 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. So you have prime factorized both the numbers. Now looking at these two numbers, do you see something in common? 5 is common, right? So this means that the highest common factor of these two numbers is 5. So it is pretty simple. The logic is also very simple. What we are doing is we are writing those numbers as product of their prime factors. Now we compare their prime factors, and whichever is the common prime factor, that is its highest common factor. Now if you compare this method with the previous method that we discussed in the previous slide, what did we see? So in the previous slide also we saw that these two numbers 15 and 20, they had many other factors also. But out of them, they had two common factors, 1 and 5. So here also it is the same. It is just that we are not writing into 1. Because 1 is multiplicative identity. Multiplying by 1 will not make any difference. So that is why we are not writing 1. But 5 is common, and again we can see that 5 very distinctly. But in this case, the benefit is that you don't really need to find out factors. Because finding factors is time consuming, because you start counting from 1 and then you start finding, okay, which one is a factor and which one is not. Now let's look at the next example, which will actually prove that this method is better. So here we will find out HCF of 24 and 36. So let us do prime factorization of 24. So this would be 12, this would be 2 into 6, 12, this would be 2 3s is 6, and this would be 3 into 1. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now let us talk about 36. So here this would be 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, and then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now tell me, what do you see in common? So in this case, this 2 is common, 2 is here, 2 is also here. Do you see anything else common? This 2 is also common because 2 is here and 2 is here. Is this 2 common? Because here you have a 2, but here you do not have a 2. So this is not common. Is this 3 common? Here you have a 3 and here also you have a 3. So these are the common things that we have. So what are the common things that we have? What is that thing which gets repeated in both the cases? It is 2 into 2 into 3. So basically 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is a common factor for both 24 and 36. So this prime factorization method helps us to find the HCF in a very easy way. So in this way, what we are actually doing is, by encircling them, we are able to find out the common factors. At the same time, what we are doing is we are multiplying the prime common factors. By multiplying the common prime factors, we are able to find out the highest common factor. Right? In this case, 2 is a common factor between 24 and 36. This 2 is also a common factor. 3 is also a common factor. But when we multiply all of them, then what do we get? We get the highest common factor between 24 and 36. And this is the prime factorization method. So whenever you have to find out HCF between two numbers, two or more numbers rather, so make use of prime factorization method, because it is simpler and it is also like more reliable. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.